It rains today. Good morning, guys. Hello. Today, I'm going to show you my rice recipe. Come on. Would you like to know my rice recipe? I'll show you guys. I'm cooking rice and I find this healthy. Okay. It rains today, guys. That's the weather. Look like. It rains today. So I'm going to show you my recipe. So today I'm cooking rice, but this one I find it like, obviously I find it healthy because you know why? There were some herbs. So again, disclaimer, this is not sponsored. Any mark you can see here, this is not sponsored, guys. So we bought it from the store. So what I have here is the vinegar and the oil and the herbs. And of course, a cooked rice, which I already put in the casserole. And some is onion and the garlic. So now, I have already put it in the casserole, everything here. Because actually, I was not able to take a video when I cook it. But basically, what I'm doing is just throw in the casserole the onion, then I add the garlic, the onion. So I saute a little bit of the onion, guys, and next I scoop the rice and throw in to the casserole or to the pan, to the frying pan. And after I simmer a little bit of the rice, and I throw in some of the herbs I have here. So what we have is onion. Of course, I'm using the garlic powder because I don't have the the fresh powder, fresh garlic. Dulay in Francais. Sumul. That's the French of garlic. And I throw in, next I add turmeric, curcuma in French. And I throw in some of the cloves. Okay? 2 of that one only, because anything excessive is bad. And I throw in also thyme. Okay, just a few, just sprinkled a little bit of that one. And I also add a little bit of piment du cayenne. It's a pepper. And if you have some parsley, just add some parsley, but I prefer to add this persillade a la provençal. So this is a mixture of parsley, the garlic, and some of the herbs. Looks like that's a carrot, I don't know, or poivrong, or the bell pepper. I think, yeah, bell pepper, parsley, and the garlic. So I prefer this one. It's a mixture. So that's it, guys. Then what makes it different with some of the fried rice that we used to cook? Of course, the fried rice, guys, we used to cook it with egg. Well, you can do it too. If you want to add some eggs in this cuisine, you can. But if you don't have, it's okay. This is still very delicious. And also, if you have some of your to have a little bit of taste, it's up to you if you add some bouillon. So here we will pick up some of the buyong or the I'm not using a cell. I'm using this one. We'll add a little bit of the cube powder of what you call this one, chicken powder, just a little bit, guys, not a lot. I'm not using the whole, just a little of everything, guys, not bad. So actually some people, they're not advising to use this one, but me, I'm in my case, I'm using a little bit of it just to have a little taste of the rice, and simmer a little bit, then stick up to the end, because there's something twist that I will show you guys. So this is not the common version of fried rice, and you have to find out up at the end. So what makes it different? There is no egg, of course, but if you want to add an egg, you can. So this is all just the rice and the herbs, oil. So when you simmer it, it's now closing time, guys. It's 9 o'clock now here, but still daytime, and it rains. That's the good news. It rains. So simmer a little bit. So maybe it's already melted, no? So again, for the recipe, if you haven't tried this kind of recipe, again, drop a spoonful of your oil. It depends on the quantity of your rice. Then throw in your garlic and onion. Simmer a little bit for the recipe again, and then scoop all of your rice and throw in your pan, and then simmer a little bit, then add of the herbs. So these are the herbs I add. Apart from the onion and the garlic, I add the turmeric. Just a few, guys, not a lot. It depends on the quantity of your rice too, and just enough that it will color the entire rice. Add some color, just a little. And then if you had also the garlic powder, apart from the fresh one, you can add a little bit. And because the fresh and the garlic powder it will add more taste if you add a little bit of the garlic powder. And then add the turmeric, add the thyme, add the the pepper, and there is one missing. I will add a few of the hang on, I'm searching. The black pepper, guys. Is this the black pepper? No, it's the Persian. Where is the black pepper? I have a lot of the Persian. Where is the black pepper? I forgot. Okay. So one way, guys, to organize as well. This one is DIY, guys. This is coming from the refrigerator, the old refrigerator. So I pick it up to organize the thing. So instead of throwing it, I organize it using this old stuff from the refrigerator. So it's served like a pull-out basket. So not bad, right? So if you have your old refrigerator, it's up to you guys if you want to use it, because it's quite long and it's really useful. So you can pull out like this. So like this one, I thought I put it in the basket. Maybe I will organize this one because it's not easy to find when it's not like this. You need to stick one by one to pull out all this bottle inside up to the bottom. So can't you see how long is that? So it's easy for you to find all your herbs when you want. So unlike with the basket, I need to dug the tiny pieces in underneath. So can't you see the difference? I need to organize this one. So need organization with this one. So we will see later on, because I don't have much time to do it for now. So leave it like that. So that's the big difference. Unlike like this, you can just pull and check what do you want. Okay, back to the cuisine. Okay, so I'm done with the simmering of this one. So it's already prepared and I think done. So that will be very delicious. And then off the fire. Tack. This is the time that you will add your black pepper when that fire is off. Okay, so simmer a little bit to add more taste. So it's a good combination, guys, with the onion, turmeric, and the black pepper. I searched it in Google. That is best anti-inflammatory. So that is helpful for our body. And by this time, guys, I have two kinds of vinegar. One is the vinegar from the apple. One is vinegar from the apple, and this one is the vinegar from the apple and vinegar from the grapes. So this is the color: vinegar from the wine or grapes, vinegar from the apple. So today I prefer to use the vinegar from the apple. So we will add a little bit of this one. Maybe 1 spoon, that will do. But I don't have to hold the so simmer a little bit. But it's all up to you guys, because we are not all the same. Not all people would like to have the vinegar, so it's all up to you. So this cuisine is for myself and it's up to you, because vinegar, actually if you try to research in Google, vinegar is helpful for our body too. If we consume a little bit every day, just a little, that is helpful in our stomach to help. But again, guys, I'm not disclaimer. Whatever you want to ingest, do your own research or ask your medical doctor, especially if you are taking some medicine or medication, because there were some medication that will interact to whatever food you are taking. So make sure to consult your healthcare provider or do your own research prior ingesting anything. So this is for my own only, guys, and I'm just showing it to you. It's all up to you if you want to do your own version. But this recipe, I find it healthy and helpful for my body. So what we will do with this one, what is difference with the usual recipe that we are doing, the fried rice? This one has a content of a vinegar. And also, I will not eat this one right away. I will be keeping it in the refrigerator once it is cold. Because you know why? You have to let it, of course, you have to let it bring down to normal temperature, because apart from it will damage your refrigerator, it may cause some spoilage of the food. So better to bring down the temperature in the normal state, so that everything will be fine. And also, leave it in a refrigerator for 24 hours prior taking it. And if you want to know why, try to research, guys, the impact on your body. There's a big difference. So I will not tell you that, because I'm not the doctor, I'm not the researcher who does everything. But for me, I found this recipe healthy. So if you want to do your own version, again, do your own research and find out why. But this version, this is for my own self. So I'm just showing it to you how I make it, and also perhaps giving you an idea. Or anyway, if you want to find out, all these ingredients are healthy for our body. The herbs that we need, all these herbs have a function and helpful to our system. So for me, I find it healthy, guys. But again, this is for me. It's all up to you if you have the same belief. So again, it's an option, guys. So I'm just showing you that this is the result if I will cook the rice with the vinegar, with all these herbs. And also, I will be keeping it in the refrigerator for 24 hours before having it. So I'll just tone down and bring this into normal temperature. So again, this recipe have a vinegar. It's not the usual fried rice that I'm cooking before, especially before I used to cook a fried rice too, but not this kind of version. So that's it for today, and thank you all so much for watching. And if you want to add a little bit of the parsley, I have the parsley here, guys, just to add some color. Although the persillade have already a parsley, but this one I will add a little bit to add a color. And also, parsley is also good for our system. And also, it makes our food so beautiful. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. Bye. So, it's night time. It's close time now. And I have a lot of stuff to do here. Needs to throw in. So, this one goes to the recycling. Oy, disclaimer, this is not sponsored. So, this one, Pobil, garbage. So, there were stuff I need to do, guys. So, maybe we will come back to some craft. So, upcoming video, guys, we will see. If we have time, we will do some crafting again. So, thank you all so much again, guys, for watching. And I'm gonna see you all next time. Bye!